Ngani zakwethu isalukazi sendoda futhi episode 2 of umsebenzi. Ngani zakwethu i-qualification yakho, i-experience yakho, ama-contacts akho nokuyithemba kwakho, it's not enough to get you into a job market. It's not enough. You need ukuthi uyiclean ngani zakwethu, you need medication ukuthi uyisebenzise, you need umthandazo, whatever isisekelo osebenzisayo sakini noma osithembayo, you need it. Then you are fit to say mina can get a job anytime. Ngani zakwethu, don't wake up and take a bath with your sunlight and just a simple pray and say no, ngizothola umsebenzi. Many people say no, if ukudala ukuthi ngisebenza usebenza in kunezinto efuna icontrol yakho ngani zakwethu. This is a very short video ngani zakwethu. Be prepared when you're going to look for a job ngani zakwethu. It's not as easy as you think ukuthi ngisawufaka ama-CVs. Ayasetshenzwa ama-CVs ngani zakwethu, ayashunqisela ama-CVs ngani zakwethu, ama-tender document ayashunqisela ngani zakwethu. Ziningi izinto ezenziwayo abantu abafuna ama-tender, abantu abafuna imisebenzi, abantu abafuna ama-deals. Ziningi izinto abazenzayo, kodwa wena uvuka ekseni uthi i-company yami complies with everything that is required. My CV, I have a very pregnant CV. I-CV yami prepared, yonke into elokhuzana ekhona, I've got all the qualifications and everything. That is not enough. It's not enough. You have tried it in 2019, you're still not working. 2019 azange uthola ama-tender and everything, you're still sitting at home, you're still complaining. It's because you are not prepared. Ngani zakwethu, muthi wise, you are not prepared. So this is a simple advice ngani zakwethu. It's either you are prepared for the job space, or you are prepared for ama-tender, or you stay home and you accept that you stay home. So I'm asking you ngani zakwethu, go to umuntu okusizayo, whether uhamba umthandazo, uhamba umthakathi, uhamba inyanga, uhamba isangoma, whatever that where you going, whether uvela umfundisi wakho uphuza ugcoba ama-olive oil, it's fine ngani zakwethu. Whatever you are doing, whether udlisa inyoka, udlisa utshani, whatever you are believing ukuthi izokusiza, do it. It doesn't matter what is it ngani zakwethu, do it. This is a simple advice ngani zakwethu. So please ngani zakwethu, we're talking about the issue omsebenzi. This is a second episode the same day. It's because I want you to be prepared ngani zakwethu. Umsebenzi awuqali ngomhla ka2, awuqali ngoJanuary ukhantshela umsebenzi ngani zakwethu. You should have been prepared for that last year October already, but you were busy having fun. So okwamanje, if you're starting now, don't expect to get a job next week. Give yourself at least 3 months. Within that 3 months, you are doing something about your life ngani zakwethu. If you want a new job, if you want to move to a new place for a new job, whatever reason, you need to be prepared. It's not an overnight transaction. Simple ngani zakwethu. Mhlamba abanye abelapha indaba kubazosaba ukukutshela, uzokutshela umuntu ukuthi hayi khipha imali engaka, mina umuntu wami uzothola umsebenzi within a week and everything. Rubbish. Be prepared ngani zakwethu. Umuthi ufana ube segazini lakho ngani zakwethu, not esikhumbeni sakho, because if you are preparing for a job interview, umuthi usesikhumbeni sakho, awukho egazini lakho ngani zakwethu. You've just used umuthi last week and today you are going for a job interview. But if you are preparing for job hunting, umuthi uba segazini lakho. Whatever you talk ngani zakwethu, mawuphefumula nje kumuntu, phuma njena lo muthi loyo, umuntu uyathamba ngani zakwethu, uyabhocoba lo muntu athi yazi umuntu ngiyamthanda, lo muntu siyamqhasha. To interview the 6-7 people on the queue and everything, bese bathi no, we've got our own candidate. Simtholile wethu. Why? Ngoba umuthi usegazini ngani zakwethu. But umuthi uma usesikhumbeni ngani zakwethu, bazothi ukudideka kancane, kodwa bese bathi kodwa usibani bani hayi naye ushayile sothatha usibani bani, ngoba wena umuthi kuphi usegazini. Usesikhumbeni not egazini. Salukazi sendoda ugogo bathini bathi abangaziye bathi nguLocksmith. Umavula kuvala emzini wamanye amadoda ngani zakwethu. Stay blessed. Ngiyanicela ngani zakwethu, stand up, go look for help, and everything. I've seen a lot of GPs this side. I've just been in a market now. I've seen many traditional healers that I know, or others bangijengisa traditional healer and everything. Bahamba nabantu abasuka eSouth Africa kuzosika imithi izinto efana lezi ngane zakwethu. That is what we want to see happening ngane zakwethu. Nathi sikhona KwaZulu-Natal ngane zakwethu bakhona ba you go where you are comfortable. Ngane zakwethu umsebenzi uyasetshenzelwa. To get a job you need to work hard, you need to work your part off. Gogo bathini Mbatha, Sarwa Sendoda, technician yomsamo, tholakala empangeni ngane zakwethu ngaphansi kwenkosi uThanduyise Mzimela kampi uyintombi. 083 533 9183 083 533 9183. Strictly by appointments ngane zakwethu. Stay blessed. Siyabangena 2020.